So today we are going to show you how to make Play-Doh out of candle wax. You can have any kind of candle.
It's no good.
Any kind that you want. I choose this. And you guys break it out. Get out of the candle.
I can't.
How can you hold this? Hold the phone.
Wait, on there. I put on the tape, on this paper. I put on the paper now, Papa. Cause put on the paper link cause.
And then you guys break it out until you have a hat. And then if you have to take you and
I'm making some Play-Doh because Play-Doh snake.
You don't need a knife. I just used a plastic knife. I'm just making them small. Still trying to scrape it out. Comment down and give me a like on this video, and you're gonna see the video starting. You see how it ends. It's so funny.
And me too. Ow!
And then
Yeah, making us.
Cause with the knife and it that and now we have like little pieces.
And
Like the little pieces of candles.
Pieces.
Can't move. Like the little pieces of candles. Little pieces of candles. Then if you got on your table, then like get those up, and then you might feel like it's unraveling. Then fidget with it a little, and then like for like 2 hours, and then it won't feel like that. And there you got your Play-Doh made out of candle wax. Bye. Douse and down.